Okay, Mr. Fix It. Here with another video. What we're going to do here today is remove texture from a texture wall. This process is fairly simple. All we do is apply the mud with even pressure to apply and even pressure to remove. Apply the mud with even pressure, get you a good coat, cover area that you feel comfortable covering, and come back and apply even pressure and wipe the mud off. The friction and the even pressure from you holding the knife will allow you to, especially if you pull down, specifically when you pull down, will allow you to have an even, smooth coat without really digging into the texture that's already there. You more or less glide over the texture that's there. And just repeat this process over the whole wall, remembering to keep even pressure throughout the whole process when you apply and when you remove. It's all an angle in the knife. You want to keep it flat, don't dig, and you should have no problems. Wait 24 hours for the product to dry. For this point is get a pole sander or a sander, whatever apparatus you want to use to sand with. I recommend a pole sander or either a professional sander on a stick or something along that line. That way you can cover more area in a quicker pattern and just sand over the product. Sand over the wall, give it a rough sand, and you'll be able to paint. And if you have anything that needs to be touched up, you can touch up after that. Like, subscribe for more content. Hope to see you in the future. Thank you.